Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to correctly start a free return through Amazon. One of the most important things in your return is that you need to choose the correct reason for the return. Why are you returning this product? You need to choose the correct reason, because you know something, there is no such thing as free returns. The seller is paying for your return costs, and we want to be fair and honest with the seller. So let's get started and see how we return things on Amazon. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you want to go to your account and you go to your orders. Click on your orders. These are the list of items that I have ordered, and I need to see which one I need to return. Now the one I need to return is this item right here, because it's defective. This is a I/O Gear 4-port HDMI switcher, and the problem with this is that every time you switch, each computer connected to it will recognize the monitor and change the resolution on that based on that. So we would like to return. Click on return right here. After you click on the return, you have to choose the item you want to return, which is this. Now you have to choose why are you returning this, like what inaccurate website description, item is defective, bought by mistake, this and that. Now here is where it's very important to pay attention. If you choose inaccurate item website description, the seller is responsible to cover the return shippings. If you have item of defective, the seller is responsible. If you say bought by mistake, you do have the option to still pay return it for free, but if you want UPS to come pick it up, or if you want to drop it off at a UPS location, you are responsible for the shipping costs. If you click on better price available, you will be given an option to match that price. If product is damaged, you will be given an option to send a replacement. If the item arrived too late, you can return it because you no longer need it because it arrived too late, and you're not even responsible for the shipping back or the return shipping costs. Now, this has to be true. All of these, whatever reason you're choosing, it has to be true. You need to be honest about your return reason because this is a great privilege to have free returns, and if we misuse it, then we may not be qualified for free returns. You could say product and shipping the box both damaged, and wrong item was sent, received an item didn't buy, received an extra item I didn't buy, no refund is needed, they simply take the item back, I didn't approve the purchase. Now if you choose I didn't approve the purchase, then they might send you a new card, thinking that your card was compromised by someone, or maybe a minor had access to that card and placed an order without your approval, things like that. So you need to pick the correct reason. Now, in my case, it's defective. When you say item is not defective, you have to give your reason. Now I'm going to explain why it's defective. Unit. So these are the reasons I'm returning it. Now I go to continue. I click on continue. This is the part that you need to be very careful what you're going to choose. Amazon always would like you to offer you tech support, or chat with the tech support, or the tech support guy can call you instead of returning it. Or the second option you would like they will offer you is to send you a replacement of the equal value or the same exact item. Now these are the first options, but I would like to choose refund to your Amazon credit card, and that's the one I'm going to choose. Now refund to Amazon credit card will be in this, and it will be refunds can take up to 21 days, no problem. You click on continue. When you click on continue, now it will ask you if you want to drop it off an Amazon Dropbox. You could drop it off at Whole Foods, no box or no label needed. You don't even have to have a box or a label. You just take the product, and it's original box, by the way. You have to have the product in one same shape you got it in the original box. You can't be missing parts, pieces, components. choose a drop-off location. There's so many locations. If you click on this, it gives you like different locations, like based on the map where you are, and then you can choose from there. And you could also choose UPS drop-off point. Now listen, let's pay attention carefully. Now the UPS drop-off point has zero charge because the item was defective. But if I were to return this because I changed my mind, then this would be a charge for me, the UPS drop-off location. Now, in addition to this, there are more other options, which they don't show in the beginning, but you do have the option. One of which is that UPS driver will come to your house with a label on their hand. Basically, they grab the item, you have to box it up, they grab it and put the label on it. And that's when you choose this. That's called the UPS pickup. Now you have all these Amazon Locker, UPS drop-off, Kohl's, UPS pickup point and all that. But this one is the one that the UPS driver will come to your house, knock the door with the label and pick up the package. Now, obviously you would think, why wouldn't I choose this one? This is the best option. I don't even have to leave my house or even have a printer. The problem with this is that the poor seller will be paying a lot more for that return than they would be paying in any other of these choices, because the poor seller who sold you the product will be charged not only for the label, not only for the return shipping cost, they will also be charged for the UPS pickup, which is an additional, I don't know, $3 or something. So now, if you want, you could choose this, but I usually never choose this because I don't want the seller to be hurt. I know people are struggling at Amazon. The individual sellers or people like me and you, they're not a part of Amazon, billion-dollar industry. They're just average people. So I always choose the drop-off or UPS, drop-off point or Amazon drop-off. Now, the difference between this and this, that with this, you don't have to have a printer. You could just drop it off. You don't need a label. But with this, you must have a printer to print a label. I do have a printer. I will choose this and I will proceed. And then I'm going to click confirm. And now you click here to print your shipping label. And I'm going to click and print my label. The label has been generated, and all I have to do is click on print label, and this print label will print, which I will affix on the box that I'm planning to return, and I will hand it into a UPS drop-off location such as a UPS store, and there are places where you drop off UPS labels and all that. And then this is the printer. We have to choose the printer, and you click on print. Voila, that's it. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please comment down below and I will be sure to reply to it. Thank you.